in the week ahead of me. Actually, the whole rest of the semester. Actually, we have 4 units left, which is quite a bit. Okay, to cover here. So we have 4 units so far. What's that so far, right? We have 4 more to finish off here. The issue that I have next week, so I can switch on this week. I mentioned that yet? No. I haven't mentioned that. I'll mention it today. On Monday, I will be gone. There's a math conference at St. Mary's, so I'll be in the building, but I will not be physically in the classroom. So what I'm going to do on that day is I'll record a little video for you guys like I do, and then I'll give you guys a little bit of work at the end. The difficulty is these are word problems, so that's going to make things more difficult. The worst thing about that, if you think that's bad, I'm also going on Wednesday and Thursday of next week to Georgia College. So that's going to be, yeah, I'm teaching there for 2 days. So anyway, teaching some grade 12 stuff. So the point is that's going to be next week is going to be very, very difficult. So I was sort of hoping to have this unit done by the end of next week, and then we'll have a little quiz on the Tuesday after that. That's sort of the plan. If it doesn't happen, that's the plan right now. So the quiz will be, it'll be like the quadratic formula quiz, like just a little short little thing like that. The plan is not this Tuesday, the Tuesday after that. We'll see if that happens or not. Okay. What I'm getting at though, I want to rush. Like the rest of the semester is going to be 100 miles an hour. We wasted way too much time on that exam review. So that's going to get us behind the 8 ball a little bit. So that's my fault, not yours. So we will be moving forward every single day from here on out. Good to see you all. I haven't told you that. Okay? You guys are all good human beings, wonderful people, and I respect you all greatly. Okay? That said, let's get started on this here. Can I get someone? That was a joke, right? No, I do respect you all a lot. I love your shirts, a giraffe. That's so cool. Can I get someone, please, to be brave and give me the first step? We're going to pass around the class. Karina, go ahead.
First you do is set y to 0 to get the x.
Oh, good. We'll do the x-intercepts first. So
0 equals negative 2x squared plus 6x plus 1. And then you turn it into
Great. All right, Calvin, can you recite from memory the plot formula, please?
Negative
Okay, if I teach any of you next year, which I don't know what courses I'm teaching yet, okay, but if I teach any of you, all of you make sure that you tell everyone else that you guys all know your quadratic formula, okay? Because what will happen is we'll get to this, and you'll say, I've never seen that before, Mr. Sadler, but you have a million times this year right now. Bailey, can you tell me what A and B and C is, please?
A is negative 2, B is 6,
Luke, can you sub that in for me, please?
It'd be negative 6.
Yeah.
Plus minus the square root of 6 squared over 36.
Yeah.
Minus 4 times negative 0, so it'd be 8 plus 1 over negative 4.
Yeah, okay, 2 times negative. I'm going to write it out like this, but again, if Luke wants to go right to here, that's fine. Plus or minus the square root of 36 plus 8. All over negative 4. So x equals negative 6 plus the root of 44 over 4, or x equals negative 6 minus the root of 44 over 4.
Take it for it.
Thank you. That's good, thank you. That's all right. Lindsay, can you be brave, please, and tell me what the square root of 44 is, which is about 3 or 4 decimals. Try those letters, 6 point. Yeah. I'm assuming that goes on forever and ever and ever. Okay. This is coming back for most people, I hope. Good. All right, Jasmine, can you give me the 2 values of x, please?
X equals 0.16.
Yeah.
And x equals 3.16.
Okay, now as points on the graph, of course, although we're not graphing today, where these are what the points would actually be. Okay. Good. All right, now you can do this. Find the vertex a few ways. Can we get, please, Jessica, one way to find the vertex? I'm going to complete the square. Yeah. Go ahead, please.
Oh, sorry. Factor in the x coefficient.
Good.
So it's going to equal negative 2 bracket x squared minus 3x bracket plus 1.
Great. Now, very good. This changes to negative 3x because if you think of our original question, I should write this down. What should have happened? Whoops. We want to find our vertex. We started with y equals negative 2x squared plus 6x plus 1. Right, when you take away negative 2, it flips both. It's not good. All right, Desiree, can you do the next step, please?
Is the X
Very good. I'm going to use decimals here. If you like fractions, that's lovely. Please remember when you get to 3U next year, you will have to use fractions. Okay, but in 10 academic, you can use decimals, and that's okay. All right, Noah, what do I do next, please?
You put it in a format, you do y equals negative 2 bracket x squared minus 3x plus 2.25 minus 2.25 bracket.
Great. Alistair, what happens now, please?
So you take the negative and multiply it by negative 2 and comes out as negative 2 bracket x squared minus 3x plus 9 over 4 bracket plus 9 over 2 or 4.5.
Yeah, 9 over 2 is 4.5. All right, Derek, finish up, please.
That'll be y equals negative 2 bracket x minus 1.5 bracket squared plus 5%.
Okay. All right, Aiden, what's the vertex and which way is it open, please?
Vertex is 1.5, 5.5.
Okay, so this would be the question which we're going to get into word problems today. Somebody throwing a ball or something. A lot of the applications, excuse me, a lot of our graphs we dealt with were opening upwards, okay, because it's easier to factor things as positive. Our application, a lot of them are opening downwards because gravity is a beautiful application of a graph, okay, and again, I'm not going to do this, actually I am. If you throw your pen in the air, that's a perfect parabola, right? Want to see it again?
Oh,
Is that amazing? Okay. And if you think of any sport, if anyone plays baseball or soccer or anything, soccer's a little different because they get a lot more spin on the ball, right? But if anyone here plays baseball or soccer, when you hit the ball, perfect parabolas every single time, right? Or basketball, if you're shooting 3 or a free throw, right? It's perfect parabola. Okay. There is spin, but it's not the same. Like soccer, far and away has got the most spin, right? If you look at ball. Okay. Any question on this before I get started here? We're good? Okay, hopefully, as I said, you did your midterm yesterday, so hopefully you guys knocked all this stuff out of the park. I hope on this. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video, then we're going to get started on word problems, or continue our word problems. If you look at